Good morning, this is Norman Seals of Williamson Foundation. I'm one of the evaluators for the company. And I've run into a situation now 3 times in the last 2 days and just wanted to kind of put a little information out there for you to maybe help you with some decision-making process. I've gone into a home where the owners have owned the home for a year or less. This morning's was 1 year. Yesterday, the people had just been in the house a month, weren't even finished unpacking, and the other people had lived in their house for 5 months. And all 3 of them need foundation repair. All 3 of them very similar stories in that as they're going through the purchasing process, they had the general inspector come out, do their thing, which is required by most lenders. But what they didn't do was have a foundation repair company come out and take a look also. General inspectors do amazing work. They check a lot of things, but aren't always very well educated in terms of the foundation. And sometimes the signs of foundation movement can be very subtle, and it really takes someone trained and experienced like those of us at Williamson to detect where those issues may be. And you as a potential homeowner may walk into something where a few years later you're having to spend $5,000, $10,000, $15,000 on something that you weren't expecting not long after you buy a home. We understand that the home buying process is stressful and complicated. We're here to help you make that process easier. If you're looking to buy a house, give us a call. We'll come out. We don't charge anything for the evaluation. It generally takes an hour or less unless it's a really big home or a really complicated situation. And we can give you an idea of really truly what you're walking into. Here in North Texas, the houses move. We can help you figure out if it's affected your home or not, or is likely to in the near future. Anyway, hope this information helps. Hope you're having a great day. Today's Friday. I'm excited about the weekend. I hope you have a great one. Thank you very much.